Ursina is a powerful 3D engine where you can do everything from just within Python. To help you learn Ursina, in this video I will guide you on building a game where a square follows some points. A link to the code can be found in the description or on the Ursina GitHub under samples. To install Ursina, simply type pip install Ursina. Now open up an IDE of your choice, I'll use VS Code, and import the Ursina library. Now write down the variables on screen. They simply define the entities we will use. If you want to learn more about entities, you can go to ursinaengine.org/documentation. Now add an entity for rendering the lines on screen. After that is created, add an update function that renders the lines between all predefined points. Now add a play function that will define the starting points. Finally, add UI and run the app. This UI will allow us to play the game. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon.